Good night, classmates and tutor. My name is Norma Rodriguez, and this is activity number 3. This is country is Grace. Number 1. The Greens do not like the dogs and those who are in the street and have not prepared. Number 2. Taxis. Their tours, they are quite cheap and you probably have to share it with someone else. They carry several people who go the same place. They make discounts. Number 3. It is supposed that the typical dishes are very tasty but contain many species that are really strong and could cause discomfort to the tourists. Number 4. Cave calves and hats. Some restaurants and shops do not accept credit cards, are expected to carry the cash. Number 5. Country of smokers. It is supposed to be a country of the smokers where 50% of the population smokes. Number 6. And the churches and monasteries, you will find throughout the country a large number of churches and monasteries. However, tourists should understand that it is not acceptable tourists to enter in Bermuda short and swimming suits. There's buildings measure wear long pants and for women long sheer blouses. Number 7. Internet connection. Internet connection in Greece are quick, easy, and they are costly for the tourists. Number 4. It is acceptable to if your level of English is not very good. The majority of the population is used to dealing with tourists, will not help in what you need. In addition, most of the address of the country can be written both in Greek and English. Grace would need to be the destination of your dreams. Thank you very much, classmates and tutor.